What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to dress like Magic Fox. Let's go. What's good crew, welcome back. Like I said in the intro, today I'm going to show you how to dress like Magic Fox. So if you don't know who Magic Fox is already, I will tag his Instagram feed right here for you to check out. Magic Fox is a male model. He puts up outfit pictures on Instagram, style pictures on Instagram. He's sponsored by a ton of people. He does a ton of brand deals and stuff like that. But overall, his page and his style is absolutely killer in my opinion. And I thought it would be a cool idea for me to make a video to show you how to achieve that Magic Fox clean cut streetwear type of look. So a little bit of a backstory, I came across Magic Fox on Instagram. I saw a picture of him that was tagged on a men's fashion page and I gave him a follow and I noticed that his outfits are ridiculously clean. So let's break down Magic Fox's style. On his Instagram page, he highlights a lot of different types of styles, but today we're going to talk about a few in particular. His streetwear, his business casual, his business, and his athleisure looks. His streetwear is a very clean cut type of streetwear. It's not a lot of branding, it's not very flashy, it's very tailored and clean cut, but still has a little bit of an edginess to it. It's a more modern, adult-like, and mature take on the streetwear type of look. As far as his business casual, really. As far as his business casual looks go, they're pretty much the same way. He incorporates a lot of elements of streetwear, but it's also a very, very clean cut look. And he sometimes takes a little bit of a rugged edge to his business casual to give it a little bit of that rugged type of feel. As far as his business professional wear goes, it is absolutely the most clean cut looks I have ever seen in my life. And that's pretty much all there is to say about that. And lastly, his athleisure looks highlight his best features about his body. They highlight his arms, they highlight his chest, they highlight his physique in total, while also making him look clean and modern, but still leaving room to get the job done. Now another thing that you need to know about Magic Fox is that not all of his pieces are ridiculously expensive. Even though he's a male model, he's not wearing $10,000 outfits all the time. In fact, if you look at his Instagram page and you click on the pictures, you can see that a lot of the times he's wearing Zara, he's wearing H&M, he's wearing these cheaper alternatives to really expensive clothing because his look is so minimalistic that he doesn't need to wear extremely expensive pieces all the time. So since he wears Zara and H&M all the time and these very, very affordable brands, you can actually go out and buy the exact same piece that you see him wearing if you wanted to do that. And if you can't find those pieces or you can't afford those pieces that he's wearing, here's a couple of tips to achieve that Magic Fox type of look. So here are a couple of signature Magic Fox pieces that you need to have in your wardrobe if you want to achieve the Magic Fox look. The first piece, and probably the most important piece, is lightly distressed or medium distressed tailored denim. These jeans should have maybe some light distressing, maybe some mild knee blowouts, but nothing too crazy, no splatter paint, nothing like that, no bleaching out, just a light wash or medium wash pair of jeans with a little bit of light to medium distressing in it. Besides the distressing, the most important thing about the pants and about the denim is that it needs to be tailored, because that's what gives it that clean cut look. That's what gives it that nice and sharp look that you want to achieve from the Magic Fox look. You don't want sagging jeans, you don't want skinny jeans, you don't want baggy jeans, you want tailored jeans, tailored to your legs, and that is the most important thing. The next piece that you most often see Magic Fox wearing is minimalistic fitted t-shirts and sweaters. He's not rocking too many hype brands. Most of the time his t-shirts are plain black t-shirts, plain white t-shirts, plain neutral colored t-shirts, stuff like that. And when your t-shirts and sweaters are fitted, it accentuates that clean cut type of look that Magic Fox always likes to rock. The next piece that you'll see Magic Fox in a lot of the times is some type of coat or jacket. It could be a denim jacket, it could be a pea coat, it could be a bomber jacket, it could be a hoodie. And it comes back to that idea that we've been talking about this entire time, that fitted, clean cut, minimalistic type of look with little to no branding, just a clean cut piece. And if you're a sneakerhead like myself, the next thing that I notice about Magic Fox is that he's always rocking classy footwear. And I mean classy footwear. That man is not rocking no Gucci slides with some fur. That shit is ugly. That man is not rocking Yeezys. I still like Yeezys though. Magic Fox typically wears some type of boots, either Chelsea boots, desert boots, lace-up boots, or strap boots, or some type of a leather sneaker. And the last thing that you'll see Magic Fox most often wearing is some type of minimalistic athletic wear. He's not wearing neon. He's not wearing t-shirts with the sleeves ripped all the way down to the bottom seam. He's not wearing any humongous flashy brands. He's not wearing shorts that could be condemned to the garbage because they have so many holes and pricks all over them where they have been torn up in the washing machine. He is wearing nice, clean cut athletic wear. Alright guys, and that wraps it up for today's video. If you like this content, hit that subscribe button down below and you can see when I post a video next. Join the family. We have huge things coming to this channel in 2018. If you hit that subscribe button, you can be a part of it too. Also, give this video a big fat thumbs up if you liked it. Go check out Magic Fox's Instagram page. Leave your comments in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys next time. I'm out.
Cause aside from my soul, cause